Imagine flying a plane without a dashboard. No speed, no altitude, no fuel gauge. That is exactly how most of us use Anki.
Hey guys, welcome to Ankineer. Today I'm releasing a tool that fixes this. It's called Card Auditor, and it gives you a heads-up display for every single flashcard you own. We've all been there. You see a card and it feels hard, but you don't know why. Have you failed this card 10 times before? Is it a leech, or is it just the first time you've seen it in months? Without data, you were just guessing. This is Card Auditor. It runs silently in the background, but the moment you reveal the answer, boom, it visualizes the card's entire history instantly. Now let's look at the data. It gives you 4 key stats: streak, gamify your reviews, how many times have you hit good in a row, retention, your lifetime pass rate on this specific fact, stability, how strong is this memory, and average time, are you too slow on this card? But I know we want speed. We don't want to analyze spreadsheets during a review session. That's why I built the verdict system. Green means master. You own this card. Move on. Red means leech. This is the most important one. If you see red, your retention is below 80%. This card is wasting your time. Stop and rewrite it. Finally, a feature for everyone who gets distracted: the smart time cap. If you leave Anki open to check your phone or grab a coffee, Anki usually ruins your statistics with a 20-minute review time. Card Auditor automatically caps the time in your database to 60 seconds. Your stats stay clean no matter what. One last thing. This add-on is just one part of the puzzle. I have built a whole ecosystem of free tools to upgrade Anki. If you want to see your real retention stats, check out my Card Auditor add-on. If you want to gamify your streak with avatars, check out Habit Hero. I've linked my full collection in the description below. Go build your ultimate setup. I'm Madi the Ankineer, and I'll see you in the next one.